ocean is vast.
We know more about the surface of the moon than what's beneath the seas on our own planet.
It's incredibly deep, and we hardly know anything about it. So what are internal waves and why do we care about them?
A lot of people don't even know that internal waves exist.
When I ever talk to neighbors or friends or anything about internal waves, they kind of give me this weird look, like, what are you talking about?
An experiment that we just completed in the Luzon Strait, we measured some of the strongest internal waves in the entire world. They were several hundred meters high, so you think about waves underneath the surface of the sea that are higher than skyscrapers.
Oh, here's something going on here. We're the first people to have seen these things.
Why are they important? They're all over the place. They contain quite a bit of energy.
The internal waves in the ocean carry something like a few terawatts of energy per second, which is comparable to how much power we burn as a race. This is a lot of energy kind of racing around in the ocean that we don't really know where it is. But it turns out right beneath us right now, there's about 36 times the flow rate of the Amazon flowing beneath us. This part of the circulation is a really, really vital part of the Earth's climate system.
We don't fully understand it. We know the Earth is warming up. The aspect that we're looking at is the response of the deep ocean to climate change. I agree that for an average person on the street, this is like studying the dark side of the moon or something like that. You know, we're in the middle of nowhere, the ocean is incredibly deep, but the science suggests that this could be pretty important to how the Earth's climate changes.
We know now where all the big sources of the internal waves are, but the thing we don't know is where they go. Where are the graveyards of these internal waves? We find that concept fascinating, and so that's why we decided to call our group Wave Chasers.
We are kind of zooming in on a piece of this puzzle. It's really remarkable what we don't know.